solve the system of differential equation. Suppose dx by dt 3x minus 3y plus 4 and dy by dt 2x minus 2y minus 1. A system of differential equation, we can solve it. Anyone can say to me how many variables here? How many variables?
Two. Two variables.
What is the two variables?
X and Y.
X and Y.
And t and t.
Mm,
What is the position of t? Here is the three variable x, y, and t. What is the dependent variable here, friends? What is the dependent variable? Hello, Ramija said to me, what is the dependent variable here? How many dependent variable?
Sir, X and Y.
X and Y.
X and Y are
What is the independent
T.
variable? T. Yes.
T.
তাহলে three variables x, y, and t. T be the independent variable, x and y be the dependent variable. Okay. And what is the d? What is the d here? What is the d? D means d by dt, differential operator. Are you clear? Hello, friends. Are you clear now?
স্যার লাস্ট ক্লাসে এক্স ইকুয়েশন পর্যন্ত বের করা হয়েছিল আর ডিফারেন্ট একটা ইকুয়েশনের জন্য মনে হয় সলভ করা হয়েছিল 3x minus 4y আর 4x minus 7y এর জন্য
Okay, okay. Today can solve the details. X of t and y of t both. Okay. Hello.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay. Today I can solve the maths x of t and y of t both. Okay. So start the solution now. So given that every friends you can note it with me step to step. I solve the maths details. Given that dx by dt equal to 3x minus 3y plus 4, and another equation is given dy dt 2x minus 2y minus 1. Otherwise, you can write this equation in this way because d be the differential operator. That's you can write dx minus 3x plus 3y equal 4. And second equation we can write dy minus 2x plus 2y equal to minus 1. Maybe this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. I believe it. All of my friends are clear now. Hello, friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, from the last class, we discussed about when you get any system of differential equation, if you want to solve it, so at first you have to convert it all the differential operator with respect to x or respect to y. If you want to respect to x, you must have to reduce the respect of y. So from the first case, there is no respective y differential operator. Differential operator. And second on dy. So now operating on, if we convert the all operator respect to x, now operating on by d means are actually d by dt, I can details here, and multiplying 2 by 3. Am I right, friends? 3, and subtracting we get from the first operating on, that means we get d square x 3 dx plus 3 dy. What is the value of right hand side? Any friends? Anyone help me? Right hand side, how will you get? Anyone?
4D.
4d. We operating the first
Sir,
one. Yes.
D4 মানে 0 হবে।
0. Why 0? You can explain me why 0?
স্যার 4 কে যদি আমি টি এ দি ডিফারেন্স
Thank
মানে
you.
টি এর
Thank you
রেসপেক্টে
very much.
ডিফারেন্সিয়েট
Thank you
করতে
very.
হলে
Yes, thank you very much. Because d means derivative. We operating means derivatives. So 4 be the constant, you take the derivative 0. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Okay. And you have to multiplying 3, that means 3 dy minus 6x plus 6y, and right hand side minus 3. Am I right, my dear friends? Hello. And subtracting, that means sign will be changed. So 3 dy may be cancelled here. We can get this expression d square x minus 3 dx plus 6x minus 6y equal to 3. I believe it all friends are clear now up to this line. Hello friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we convert to all the operator with respect to x, but here the 6y. So you need the value of 6y. You can get the value of 6y value from the 1 or 2. If you use the 1, easily from 1 we get, I can write here. So d square x minus 3dx plus 6x 6y, that means we get from the value of 1, my dear friends. 6x, that means plus 6y আর কি, that means 2 2 into dx minus, I can write elaborately, 3x minus 4 equal 3. Am I right? My dear friends, am I right? Am I right, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometime you have to respond me because otherwise I can understand we are in network or out of network. Plus 2dx minus 6x minus 8 equal to 3. If we want to more simplify, d square x minus dx, because 6x minus 6x cancel there, equal to 11. Otherwise you have to write very nicely, so d into d minus on, but d square minus d x equal to 11. I want to ask my audience, this is the new form of the equation. What is the name of the equation number 3? It is a linear equation with constant coefficient or variable coefficient, but it is a homogeneous, non-homogeneous. Anyone said to me, my dear friends?
Non-homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous. It is the higher order or first order? Higher order or first order?
Higher order.
Higher order.
R
Okay. তাহলে we know how to solve the first higher order differential equations. Okay. তাহলে I can start right hand side how to solve it. We get the equation this way, maybe d into d minus 1x equal to 11. It is the higher order differential equation. So it consisted two parts of solution, CF and PI. Let y equal to e to the power anion y or t, x. What you can write? Hello friends, anion. What you can write? Trial solution. What you can write, please?
y equal e to the power mt.
Y. What is the dependent variable here?
Sir, x equal to the power m.
X. Because sorry, here the x. We can come x. The x equal to e to the power mt. My dear friends, you have to check it very seriously because we convert the all operator respect to dx. With the trial solution of maybe this issue number 3, we can just give you. So auxiliary equation is m into m minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to 0 and 1 with the root. What is the nature of root, my dear friends? What is the nature of
Un-
root?
unequal.
Unequal. Tali, we can write CF means C1 plus C2 e to the power t. I believe it. All of my friends are clear up to CF. No question? No question, friends?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now we have to find the particular integral. Again, pi means 1 by f of d. F of d means d square minus d. Right hand side is value constant value 11. Anyone can say to me, maybe this topic is very popular to you. So when right hand side be the any polynomial function or constant function, what is the way of solution of higher order differential equation, please? Anyone?
Sir,
Anyone?
superposition method.
Superposition method is the perfect for the all types. And a special what is the general case? Superposition is the special case. What is the general case? When right hand side be the any polynomial function or constant function. Have any idea? Have any idea, friends? Okay. Binomial theorems. Maybe binomial theorems, friend. You have to note it. So when you can just get right hand side with any polynomial functions or constant for binomial theorems. And binomial theorems, maybe it is a special from the v plus 1 plus x inverse, otherwise 1 minus x inverse. We can explain it. Are you clear? My dear friends, are you clear now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear.
if you want to solve it, you have to produce 1 plus x by 1 minus x, but you have to carefully, d never goes to the denominator function, because d goes to denominator function, it will be integration, or integration expand the function. So you have to allow time d be the just numerator function. So if you want to common minus d here, we can write 1 minus d right hand side 11, but we can write 1 upon d 1 minus d inverse into 11 1 by d. If you want to expand the binomial formula, when minus all are the plus 1 plus x, that means d plus d square up to infinity right hand side 11. Any question up to this line, my dear friends? Any question?
স্যার সেকেন্ড লাইনটা একটু বলবেন কেন
Uh,
এভাবে লিখছেন?
a second line, that means, sir, when you can use the binomial formula, always time x must be less than 1, and you have to carefully the d never goes to the just denominator function, because d equal to here d by dt, it is the derivatives differentiation, and 1 by d means, what is the 1 by d means, sir?
Integration.
ইন্টিগ্রেশন।
Integration. Differentiation always time compact the function, and integration allows time expand the function. Are you clear? Are you clear? So when we use the common factor, you are very carefully, d never goes to the denominator function. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. So minus 1 by d, if we calculate 1 into 11, that means 11. D, that means derivative, you take the first derivative, constant equal to 0, only 11. Are you clear now, friends? Now 1 by d is the integration with respect to t, so minus 11 into t. That is the pi. I request my friends, any question to CF and pi? Any question? Any question? Now the general solution of x of t. Now we can write x of t equal to cf plus pi, cf equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power t, pi means minus 11t. That is the x of t value. I believe all of my beloved students are clear up to this portion. Any inquiry? Hello, friends. Hello, friends.
স্যার আগের পেজে একটু যাওয়া যাবে?
Uh, can I zoom it? Can I zoom it, sir?
হ্যাঁ জি স্যার।
Okay.
স্যার যে এখানে একটা যে ইলাবোরেট করছিলেন যে -6y এর কাজটা, ওই লাইনটা বুঝি নাই। মানে ডি,
Six.
হ্যাঁ
Which line? Which line, please?
স্যার যে লাস্টের লাইনটা আপনি মানে সাবস্ট্রাকশন করে -6y এর যে পাশে যে লিখছেন
Oh, yes,
ইলাবোরেট।
yes, 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 yes. Okay. I can explain here. I can explain here, please, friends. This line. 6y, that means we want to convert the all with respect to the differential of with respect to x. But here is the 6y. Am I right? Am I right?
স্যার
So you have to put the value of y value. So for the y value, you have to use the maybe equation number 1 or 2. I can use the 1 because if you use the 2, you put the y, again you can produce the y derivatives. So from on, I can just write here the 3y equal to, we can write, that means minus 3y equal to, we can write dx minus 3x minus 4. Am I right, my dear friends? Am I right? Hello, friends. Am I
জি
right?
স্যার। জি স্যার।
Tali, you can just 6y minus 2 is multiplication here. Are you clear?
স্যার
Another more question for my dear friends. Another more question. Hello, friends. Another more question. No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
no. Okay. Now, maybe one of my friends asked to me, sir, that we only for find the solution of x of t. If we find the y of t, okay. If we want to y of t, sir, y of t, that means you'll go to the same values but same pattern of the equation. If you want to reduce the x of t by y of t, answer will be the same. Last math, maybe you have to go to the this math. So if you want to change the x of t, then you have to operating the number equation number 2. Am I right, friends? You have to just eliminate the operator of dx, and so you have to operating the number 2, and you have to maybe multiplication 1 by 2. Am I right? Can I explain it again? Can I explain? Hello, friends. I can explain here. Just I explain, sir. Was the given was we'll get dx. This is equal to 1 minus 3x y equal to 4 and dy minus 2x plus 2y equal to minus 1. First part, we have to reduce the y differential operator plus y. Now it is another part. Suppose the x. So this is equation number one, equation number two. So you have to use the differential operator of x from the given two equation. So operating number equation number 2 by d means and multiplying the equation dx2, here is a 2, that means 2, and adding we get, so from the equation number 1 6x plus 6y equal to 8, operating by 2 by d, that means d square y minus 2 dx plus y. What is the right hand side value? Right hand side value
Zero.
0.
Zero.
Okay, thank you. We can just addition of this, so it is very clear. We can write very nicely. This are d square plus 6y minus, my dear friends, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to convert the all the terms with respect to the differential operator y. But here I have a question, my dear friends. Here, are you clear?
Okay, but
Because
equation 1 স্যার এটা পুট করলে কি হবে স্যার?
equation, if you put from the equation on 6s, y will be just again, this is the y again produce. Are you clear now?
ওকে ওকে अगेन প্রডিউস হবে। ওকে ওকে
Okay, okay. So d square y plus 2dy plus 6y from number to 6x. What is the value, my dear friends? What is the value of 6x? Can you help me? Sir, from that 2. If you want to use that 2, I can write here. Yes, sir. Minus 2x equal to, we can write minus on minus dy minus 2y. Am I right, my dear friends? So minus 6x equal to, we can write minus 3 minus 3 dy minus 6y. Am I right? Hello, my dear friends. We are right now.
Yes, sir.
So 6x we can write, that means minus 3 minus 3 dy minus 6y equal to 8. I believe it all friends are clear now up to this line.
স্যার লাস্টে দুটো লাইন লিখছেন যে বুঝি নাই।
Sir, I can just here, we can find the value of minus 6x from here. From this line we've just explained. Are you clear? Minus 2x equal to just 1 minus 6. So we need the minus 6s, we multiplication 3 both sides. Are you clear now? Hello.
জি স্যার।
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, so 6y maybe cancel, d square y minus dy equal to 11. But otherwise we can write d into d minus 1y equal to 11. Are you clear now, friends? Solution of the system of equation, we can get x of t equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power t minus 11 t na plus 11 t, sir. Hello, what is x of t?
Minus.
Minus 11 t, okay. Minus 11 t and y of t equal to, pattern is the same but arbitrary constant always time will same, it is not mandatory. That's why solution will be the different. I believe it all of my friends are clear. When you can use the algorithm of the computer, we get the initial value of boundary value, x of c on c2 c3 c4 are the different solutions.
স্যার C3 C4 জায়গা
Yes,
C1 C2 লেখা যেত না ফর y?
for why no, কারণ c2 c3 always time equal to c3 c4, it is not mandatory, it will be different values. When you
আচ্ছা
can,
স্যার, I
yes,
can give like 3 4 এর জায়গায় অন্য তো ডিজিট দিতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ শিওর শিওর শিওর, এই
ওকে,
মানে
বাট ডিফারেন্ট হতে হবে।
different because sometime it may be same solution but always time is not same solution. Most of the time in engineering field system equation except is the different type of solution, pattern will be the same. Are you clear? That's
ওকে
why, maybe one friends asked to me, sir, in the exam period you have to find up x of t or y of t, you can write the similarly because time is very short and calculation is very narrative. Are you clear, my dear friends? Are you clear now? Hello.
ইয়েস স্যার।
I believe it. All of friends are clear. You take the snap by screenshot by image, please. It is very important types of maths. I friends, all friends, I asked to my all friends, please clear it. No question.
Yes, sir, clear.
No question. Sir, can I give a math for your checking on math and then you can start the new topics? Can I give a maths?
Yes, sir.
Hello friends, I will give a maths.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I write here, I open the whiteboard. You can help from the whiteboard. I can write here the maths. Okay. Problem. I can write here, my dear friends. When you can solve it, you respond to me, my dear friends. Hello, friends. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When solve it, please you respond to me, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay, okay, okay. Carry on, please. I'm waiting. No problem.
Sir, if the
Yes, please.
auxiliary equation m value is 1 and minus 1, then
Okay.
what will be the
Okay.
equation? So if the m value equation is 1 and minus 1, what will be the equation of the auxiliary CF? Yes.
Okay. Tell what is the when you can convert the x of t now y of t. Just said to me.
Uh, y of t.
Y of t. Okay. Okay. Another friends have done it. Hello, friends.
Yes, sir.
What is your present situation? Please help me. What you go to the y of t and x of t.
So x of t.
X of t. X of t. Tell what is the x of t solution? Yes, please. Who said to me?
Sir, CF C1 e to the power t
Your name,
plus
please. Your name, please. Your name, please.
the,
What is your name?
sir, after
What is your x of t solution?
Sir, C1 e to the power t plus C2 x into e to the power minus t minus 1.
Minus 1. My dear friends who find with respect to y of t, your solution is the same. You can compare with the solution of the x of t. Who said to me y of t, friends? Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
You can compare the solution with x sub t.
Sir, can you
Same.
repeat? Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Now you can compare with the two solution x sub t. One friend find the x sub t, another friends find the y of t.
Yes, sir.
I can request my friend who x sub t. Please help me. What is the solution?
C1 e to the power t
Oh, wait 1 minute. C1 e to the power t
plus
plus
C2 x
C2 x
e to the power minus t.
x.
Yes, sir.
X y x
স্যার
x can
এম
y
এর স্যার স্যার এম এর ভ্যালু প্লাস মাইনাস ওয়ান আসছে।
plus
Yes,
minus
plus minus 1.
তাহলে plus minus 1 I can help you my dear friends, I can help you.
Plus 1 minus 1.
Plus and minus 1, that means, sorry please friends, I can help you. X sub t, that means if get the value of m equal to 1 and minus 1, am I right?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
তাহলে so cf, you can write the value of cf equal to, with respect to of x sub t, তাহলে c on e to the power t plus c2 e to the power minus t. Am I right? Am I right, friends?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. And what is the value of pi? What is the pi? X of t. Which friend find the x of t? What is the pi value?
Minus ওয়ান।
Minus 1. The general solution x of t equal to, you get c on e to the power t plus c2 e to the power minus t minus 1. I believe it you can get these types of solution. Am I right, friends?
ইয়েস স্যার, একটু
O-
মিস্টেক হয়ে গেছে
Okay,
এক্সট্রা।
okay, okay, no problem. X of t. And which friend find the value of y of t? What is the solution?
Sir, still finding it, sir. Doing it. Do the PI. I'm doing the PI, sir.
Or not pi?
Ah, PI, sir.
You can find the pi and you can check with the answer.
Okay, sir.
It is the same answer or not. Then you can comparison. They will be go to the right track.
Okay,
Ramija, you can find the solution. I cannot hear any sound from you. Hello.
জি স্যার।
You cannot solve it.
স্যার করছি এক্সটি দিয়ে।
XT, what is the solution? X of t
স্যার C1 CF হচ্ছে C1 e to the power t plus C2 e inverse t।
inverse t. Or what is the pi?
স্যার পিআই এখনো কমপ্লিট হয়নি,
Okay,
একটু
you can
বাকি আছে।
find the pi. Every friends, please. I'll give you 1 minute again.
স্যার পিআই মাইনাস ওয়ানই হয়।
Minus 1. Okay, X of t find out. দেখি
ইয়েস
which
স্যার CY মাইনাস ওয়ানই আসছে।
তাহলে y of t, that means which friends solve the y of t. Like I want to get response from him.
yes, sir.
What is your pi?
So doing it, sir.
Okay,
Give me
okay,
some
okay,
one
okay.
minute.
I'm waiting. No, no, you not hesitate. You can solve it smoothly, and we have to comparison. You have done. Maybe these types of solution y of t. C3 by C4 y of t. So all of my friends, we are very clear. In the exam period, you have to find the x of t or y of t and write the similar answer of another, because time was very short. But when you go to the engineering field analysis or higher study, you have to go to the analysis both. I believe it. We are very clear how to solve the system of differential equation, maybe homogeneous, maybe non-homogeneous.
স্যার আমরা কি দুটি বের করতে হবে না একটা বের করব?
Acta. In the exemplar, you find the one, and you write the answer similarly again. Okay?
ওকে স্যার।
Are you clear? Are you clear? Now, friend, we have to start the another new topics, and it is the very important topics of a special function of the engineering, Laplace transform. And I hope it will. We start it on the in-person class because it is a very interesting course and very interesting transform. It is a special function, but unfortunately, just next class maybe we we come back our campus. Now next week we come back campus. Next week, right?
Still.
Yes, sir. Next week.
Next week. Okay, no problem. Sir, I start the new topics and important topics. The fundamental topics of the engineering maths. It is called the Laplace transform. Uh, no problem, sir. When you come back in your campus, uh, we take a common class. We take common class. That means a revision class, maybe one makeup class. Which things we have to go through the online class. If you can identify, sometimes your network problem or sound problem you cannot hear properly. I shall try my best level. But if face any trouble, you can note it. When you come in campus, we can details go there step to step. Come back any classes. Just sir, online class, this course, but these topics I am not clear. I can go there. Okay. Hello friends. Can I start? Can I start Laplace transform? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I start now Laplace transform? Hello friends.
Yes, sir.
How many times remaining?
স্যার 8 মিনিট।
Hello. My sound is not clear. I cannot hear you properly.
স্যার আর
Yes,
8
class.
স্যার আর 8 মিনিট আছে।
Can you start? Laplace, can you start? Next class you can start. Laplace.
Sir,
Class
then
করে
next
8
class
মিনিট
will come,
আসছে।
sir.
Okay, next class we can start the Laplace transform. Okay, because we have to discuss about the background of the Laplace transform, when it is come and why it is important. So next class we can start Laplace transform. Sir, wait, I can come back the attendance sheet, please, friends.
স্যার আমাদের নেক্সট কুইজ কবে হতে পারে?
Next class, when you can come in campus, we can declare, and next class, in a remediate next class, we can quiz. Okay, are you clear? Hello,
নো
friends,
স্যার
are you clear
আরেকবার
now?
বলেন।
So when you come back in your campus, we can discuss, and immediate next class, we can arrange the next quiz. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
Hello.